The latest leaks surrounding Xiaomi's next big release have generated a lot of buzz, particularly concerning the 15 Ultra, which promises significant upgrades in both design and camera technology. According to multiple sources, this device is set to make a major impact in the flagship smartphone market when it launches in early 2025. One of the key highlights is the variety of material options that will be available for the back panel. According to a leak from Digital Chat Station on Weibo, the new model will come in 3 different finishes: fake leather, glass, and ceramic. This is one more option than the previous generation, which offered fewer choices. These finishes represent the most common materials used in high-end smartphones today, so users will be able to pick the one that best suits their taste, whether they prefer a more luxurious feel or a sleek glass look. Under the hood, this phone will be powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, a significant leap forward in terms of processing power. This information comes from multiple reports that confirm that the upcoming phone will pack this next-gen chipset, which promises faster performance and improved efficiency. Combined with a 2K QHD+ display, featuring micro curves on all sides, as noted by Digital Chat Station, the phone will offer a premium visual experience similar to its predecessor. The display, which curves slightly on all edges, will likely enhance the device's ergonomics and aesthetic appeal. On the camera front, the leaks reveal some groundbreaking changes. SmartPre shared exclusive details about the 15 Ultra's upgraded camera setup. One of the most significant improvements is the inclusion of a new Sony LYT900 sensor, which will replace the current model found in the Xiaomi 14 Ultra. This sensor is expected to offer better low-light performance, a key area where many smartphones struggle. In addition to the upgraded main sensor, another major camera feature leaked by SmartPre and Kartik is the dedicated 200-megapixel periscope zoom camera. This powerful lens will offer up to 10x lossless zoom, a major step up from the current zoom capabilities of Xiaomi's existing devices. On the 14 Ultra, users had access to 5 zoom levels, ranging from 0.5x to 5x, but the new 15 Ultra will add a 6th level, offering up to 10x zoom. The ability to achieve such a high zoom range while maintaining image quality will be a huge draw for photography enthusiasts. Video capabilities are also getting a significant boost. The new model will feature a 4K cinematic video mode, which was previously available but limited to 1080p. This upgrade, coupled with improvements to the slow motion mode, will allow users to capture more professional-grade video footage. These advancements are largely thanks to the combination of the new imaging chip and the ISP upgrades provided by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, which will handle the extra processing demands of these high-quality video modes. For selfie enthusiasts, Xiaomi is looking to enhance the front camera as well. Traditionally, Xiaomi's selfie cameras have lagged behind those of other competitors, particularly from Korea and the US. However, the upcoming model is expected to feature a 50-megapixel front camera, which would be a noticeable upgrade from the 32-megapixel camera on the 14 Ultra. This leak, reported by Yogesh Brar, suggests that Xiaomi is trying to close the gap and offer a more competitive selfie experience. In addition to the camera and design changes, the upcoming model is expected to feature a larger battery to support the power-hungry new hardware and display. With the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 and high-resolution display, a larger battery will be crucial to maintaining solid battery life throughout the day. SmartPre also confirms that the phone will feature a quad-curved display, which not only adds to the aesthetic appeal, but also improves the overall user experience by making the phone easier to handle, despite its large size. According to Kartik Singh, the upcoming Xiaomi 15 has received its 3C certification, confirming that it will support 90-watt fast charging. This improvement adds to the impressive features anticipated in Xiaomi's latest flagship lineup. As for the release, reports suggest that the phone is expected to debut at the MWC in Barcelona in February 2025. Pricing details have not been officially confirmed, but based on previous models, we can expect it to be positioned in the premium segment, likely starting at around $1,200 to $1,500, depending on storage and material options. What are your thoughts on the upcoming features? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates as the launch date approaches.